Hey, this is how to make an S clasp for a necklace. If your necklace is very, very long and you are interested in making it shorter and connecting these two ends, what would you do? So I'm going to show you. You want to take your wire and a ruler, cut about 5 inches. And take your awl, bend one way, and you're going to hold it at the base like this. Bend it the other way. Pinch, pinch. Then you are going to cut it about halfway at the round. Let's cut it right to the end, right here. Then you're going to hold, using your round nose pliers, hold at the end like this and twist, twist, twist. You can't use smaller than 16 gauge for this. So our 16 gauge wire is here. And also we have the 16 gauge wire that I wrapped for you. So everybody should have this at home. It's like this. And then you're going to run that's what you have. And look at how cool this is. Move your tools out of the way. Put this on like this. This on like this. And you're done. Thanks for watching.